Yo, what up guys, TTarantox here, and I'm here doing an unboxing of these low latency gaming earbuds, as they say here, but Amazon listing was the IAMJOY gaming earbuds, 20 millisecond ultra. I'm not gonna read the whole thing, but I picked these up because I was hoping to get a replacement wireless option for some in-ear buds, because I've been using these standard run-of-the-mill 3.5 millimeter Apple Earpods, as they're called, for running my streams, or if I'm doing like any kind of gaming content. I typically would have over-ear headphones, like I have some right here, but I don't really want to use those because the dent in the hair is kind of annoying, and then I'm losing my hair anyway, and it's just like I don't want to have the over-ear buds, or over-ear headphones. So I ended up picking these up on Amazon for about, I think my total came up to $21.94. Unfortunately, they seem to be no longer available, but I'll leave a link in the description below to see if they maybe update the pricing or whatever. Let's go ahead and crack these things open. There's a thing here. Let me grab trusty little box cutter. Little thing that probably needs to be sharpened at some point, but it's plenty sharp at this point, Also, don't mind my dirty keyboard. I got to replace it. Got to replace a lot of things. So here we go. Grab this. And the reason why I got this, it has a dongle, which is great. Which is the only reason why only way you can really get low latency listening in your headphones. So we got instructions here, which I mean, I'm not going to use the Bluetooth function for it, but it wants to read that. You can probably pause and read, 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 pause, 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 pause. All right, cool. But I don't want to we can't do anything with Bluetooth, right? Because Bluetooth is too latent. It has too much latency, and I need something better. So got these things here, right here. My case looks a little bit looky. Like, what are these used? I think these used. Well, they look nice. I'm gonna definitely do a test of these. Oh my god, I'm gonna do a test before I even put these in my. I'm not gonna like shove these in my ear right now. I'm gonna do a test like off. Ooh, magnets are nice. Hold on. Those are some strong ass magnets. I like that. I'm gonna do a test on like whether or not they are actually low latency enough for me, for my use case, because I don't want to just dig them straight in my ear, and if I don't like them, I'll send them back. I'll just like hold them off to the side or something like that while playing music, or maybe going through like a theater rhythm round on the Switch. Throw this out of there. There's nothing here. Nothing. It's empty. But this, if I can just come on, get back in there. We'll do it later. So we have a little box here. So we got inside of the box should be our dongle and our probably charger cable. So it's a USB-C to USB-A to connect to what I'm going to be using this right here, my powered USB hub, because I don't have any more ports on my computer. This is the dongle that we would be using. I don't want to rip into this because I might have to send it back. This is our dongle. You know what? Screw it. We're just going to just rip into it. It's fine. So what we're going to be using for our low latency. It also has like a little charge through or pass through charging, so that's kind of cool. I guess that's for like if you're using a single device, like a gaming handheld or something like that, like a Steam Deck, which I don't have. And these are extra ear tips, which hopefully I won't have to break into these because I don't know. Just chuck everything up here on my dirty desk that's already too dirty. And a little wireless, or not wireless, a small little mini baby. I don't know who needs to have these little small USB-C to USB-A charger cables, but that's going to wrap it up for this unboxing. I will come back with some post listening impressions if I like them, if they work if they serve the purpose that I need. I'll definitely let you guys know. But that's going to be it for this unboxing. It's been a long time since I've done an actual unboxing of something. But let me know if you want to see more of the unboxings on my channel, and I will oblige, maybe, in the future. If I can get products and stuff to unbox. I don't know. I've been rambling long enough. That's what I do. I like to ramble. See you later. right, and I am back, and I made my decision. I am going to rock them because the latency is actually really good. It is not exactly like low, like it's not as low as wired, and it's never going to be. But you see, I have my dongle plugged in right here. It's not exactly as low latency as wires, and it's never going to be the case, but it is damn close. It is way closer, obviously, than Bluetooth, but I tried with both of these, my AirPods Pros 1st gen and my AirPods 3rd gen, and it's night and day. It is night and day. I can actually monitor my microphone without it being such a huge delay. So I give these a stamp of my approval. I don't know who I am in this space, but I enjoy these. I am definitely going to be using these for my streams in the future because I'm tired of the wires. Now I can like move around and stuff and not have to worry about being too much of a delay. And plus it's like, can't really afford don't really want to throw money at getting the Sony Pulse, I think just Pulse, or the Steel Series. I think it's Steel Series. There's some other gaming wireless earbuds out there, but I didn't buy these specifically for gaming. I bought them because of streaming and wanting to not be tethered to a wire with an extension cable. So that's my impressions. The sound's not too bad from what I've heard so far, because you can't really get too bad, digging in your ear, but you gotta be careful because I don't want to trigger my music. But it's not bad. I do kind of feel like I'm yelling, but it is what it is when you have sort of ears, like your earbuds jammed in your ears. But that's going to do it for this video. I 100% am a fan of these low latency gaming earbuds. IAMJOY low latency gaming earbuds. 20 milliseconds, not bad. I would definitely recommend these if you are looking for a pair of headphones or earbuds in your ear for wireless gaming or streaming. It's not exact. It's not going to be perfect with like a wire connection. I have to say that once again. If you get these and are mad because they're not the same as a wire connection, I told you, it's never going to be exact, but damn close. I enjoy it, and I'm definitely going to be using these in the future. Thank you. I've been TTarantox, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.